Unit 4, first is diseases of mango. First is anthracnose. Anthracnose is caused by Coletotrichum gloeosporioides. Symptoms: stem and twigs dieback, black necrotic areas on the twigs from tip to downwards. Leaves, spots on leaves. Spots are oval or irregular, greyish brown, coalesce. Leaves drying and shredding of affected leaf tissues. Fruit skin, black spots on the fruit skin. The spots are shrunken and coalesce. Floral parts and inflorescence, minute black dots on floral parts and inflorescence in the humid weather. Minute black dots on floral parts and inflorescence in the humid weather. So anthracnose of mango is caused by Coletotrichum gloeosporioides. Etiology: mycelium. Mycelium is colored, septate. Septate mycelium. Conidia, single-celled, hyaline, small, elongated, and acarvuli. So 3 types of etiology are observed in the disease of anthracnose of mango. First is mycelium. Mycelium is colored and septate. Conidia. Conidia is single-celled, hyaline, small, elongated, and acarvuli. Epidemiology: temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, relative humidity 95 to 97%. Very high relative humidity and temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Management: hot water treatment before storage at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Dip the seedlings in benomyl solution at the rate 500 ppm or thiobendazole at the rate 1000 ppm for 5 minutes. Then powdery mildew. Powdery mildew of mango is caused by Oidium mangiferi. Symptoms: white, powdery, white, which is the color of powdery mildew on mango, white, powdery superficial fungi growth on leaves, panicle stalks, flowers, young fruits. Flowers and young fruits drop prematurely, and young fruits prevent the fruit set of young fruits, reduce the crop load. So white, powdery superficial fungal growth on leaves, panicle stalks, flowers, young fruits. Flowers and young fruits drop prematurely. Young fruits prevent the fruit set, reduce crop load. Etiology: 3 types of etiology are there in the case of powdery mildew of mango. Mycelium. Mycelium is ectophytic. Ectophytic mycelium, intracellular. Ectophytic means mycelium absorb food directly from the protoplasm without any specialized structure, like without any hostorium or aprosorium. Hostoria produced in epidermal cells. Septation in fungi, partitions in fungal hyphae. Septation is occurred. Then conidiophores. Conidiophores are short hyaline, produce conidia. Conidia single-celled, barrel-shaped, produced in chain. Then Clistothecia. So how many types of etiology are found in powdery mildew of mango? 3 types of etiology. First is mycelium. Mycelium is intracellular ectophytic, means mycelium absorb food directly from the protoplasm without any specialized structure. Hostoria produced in the epidermal cells. Septation in the fungi, partitions in fungal hyphae. Partitions in fungal hyphae, septate mycelium. Then conidiophores. Conidiophores are short, hyaline, produce conidia. Conidia is single-celled, barrel-shaped, produced in chain. Then Clistothecia. Epidemiology: rains or mist plus cooler nights during the flowering stage. So in which stage? In flowering stage. Management: dusting the plants with fine sulfur 250 to 300 mesh at the rate 0.5 kg per tree. Spray fungicides. First spray soon after the flowering, second spray 15 days or later after first spray. Wettable sulfur. Spray fungicides like wettable sulfur at the rate 0.2%, tridimorph at the rate 0.1%, carathane at the rate 0.1%. So wettable sulfur fungicides and carathane are used for powdery mildew. Which type of fungicides are used for powdery mildew? Wettable sulfur fungicides, tridimorph, and carathane. Carathane is most important. First spray soon after flowering. So powdery mildew of mango is caused by which of the pathogen fungi? Oidium mangiferi. Then mango malformation. Mango malformation is caused by Fusarium moniliforme variety subglutinus. Fusarium moniliforme variety subglutinus. Symptoms: 3 types of symptoms. Bunchy top phase. At the bunchy top phase, nursery bunching, thickened small shoots, bear small rudimentary leaves, show bunchy top appearance, witch's broom appearance. Floral malformation, malformation of inflorescence, panicle variation, malformed heads, persist for long time, dry up and turned into black mass, Secondary branches are transformed into small leaves. This is the witch's broom appearance. Secondary branches are transformed into small leaves. Then vegetative malformation. Excessive vegetative branches, limited growth of seedlings. So how many stages of malformation, mango malformation are there? 3 stages. First is bunchit of phase, second is floral malformation, and third is vegetative malformation. First is bunchit of phase. Bunchit of phase, witch's broom appearance, floral malformation on the inflorescence. Witch's broom appearance, which is the witch's broom appearance, secondary branches are transformed into small leaves. Floral malformation, then vegetative malformation, excessive vegetative branches. Etiology, 2 types of etiology are found in case of mango malformation. First is conidia, microconidia and macroconidia. Microconidia 2-celled, oval or fusiform. Macroconidia 2 to 3-celled, falcate, rarely produced, fusiform. And third is the chlamydospores not produced. Chlamydospores not produced in case of mango malformation. So 2 types of etiology. First is microconidia, macroconidia. Microconidia 2-celled, oval or fusiform. Macroconidia 2 to 3-celled, falcate and rarely produced. No production of chlamydospores. Management: destroy the diseased parts. Pruning with carbendazim at the rate 0.1% or captafol at the rate 0.2%. Pruning of diseased parts plus basal healthy portions. Basal healthy portions 15 to 20 centimeters. So pruning of basal healthy portions, which is the length 15 to 20 centimeter. Then stem end rot. Stem end rot is caused by Diplodia natalensis. So mango malformation is caused by which type of fungi? Fusaria moniliforme variety subglutinus. Stem end rot of mango is caused by Diplodia natalensis. Symptoms: dark epicarp around the base of the pedicel. In initial stages, affected area enlarges to form circular black patch. Dark epicarp around the base of pedicel. Initial stages, affected areas enlarges to form circular black patch. In humid atmosphere, whole fruit turns completely black within 2 to 3 days. Pulp becomes brown and soft. Dead twigs and bark of trees spreaded by rains. Whole fruit turns completely black within 2 to 3 days. Dead twigs and bark of trees spreaded by rains. Dark epicarp. Etiology, 2 types of etiology are produced by Diplodia natalensis. First is pycnidia, brown or black, globose or subglobose, pyriform, irrumpent, osteolate. One pycnidium produces 2 types of conidia. First type of conidia, hyaline, unicellular, thin-walled. Second type of conidia, bicellular, bicelled, thick-walled. So 2 types of etiology are produced by Diplodia natalensis. First is pycnidia, brown or black, globose or subglobose, pyriform, irrumpent, osteolate. One pycnidium produces 2 types of conidia. First type of conidia, hyaline, unicellular, thin-walled. Second type of conidia, bicelled or bicellular and thick-walled. Management: pre-cooling treatment after harvesting of the fruit with long twigs on stems. Pre-cooling treatment after harvesting of mangoes. Harvesting: cut ends of the fruit are painted with copper sulfate. Cut ends of harvested material are painted with copper sulfate. Then red rust. Red rust is caused by an algae. This is the Cephalurus virescens. Symptoms on the leaves and foliage and young twigs. Leaves: rusty spots on leaves. Initially these spots are circular, slightly elevated, later coalesce to form irregular spots. So symptoms of algae on leaves and foliage and young twigs. Mature spores fall off and leave cream or white velvet texture on the leaf surface. The spores are zoospores. So which types of spores are produced by red rust algae of mango? Zoospores. Mature spores or zoospores fall off and leave cream white velvet texture on the leaf surface. Algae has 2 periods in life stage: vegetative growth period and reproductive structures period. So what are the 2 periods of life stage in the algae of red rust of mango? First is vegetative growth period, second is reproductive structures period. Red rust of algae is formed singly on the vegetative filaments. Etiology: 2 types: sporangia. Sporangia is ripped. Contents of sporangia are converted into zoospores. Zoospores are liberated through an opening in the wall. Zoospores are orange, ovoid, swim actively by cilia. So red rust of algae is formed singly on the vegetative filaments. Red rust of algae is formed singly on the vegetative filaments. Etiology two types. First is sporangia. Sporangia is ripped. Contents of sporangia is converted into zoospores. Zoospores are liberated through an opening in the wall. Zoospores are orange, ovoid, swim actively by cilia, which is the movement organ of the zoospore, cilia. Management: apply Bodox mixture at the rate 0.6% or copper oxychloride at the rate 0.25%. Then shooty mold. Shooty mold of mango is caused by Capnodium mangiferi. It is a fungi. Symptoms: reduced. So red rust of mango is caused by Cephalourus virescens. It is an algae. Cephalourus virescens. Then shooty mold of mango is caused by Capnodium mangiferi. It is a fungi. Symptoms: reduced photosynthetic ability of the plants, reduced fruit set, fruits fall. Photosynthetic ability of the plants. Shooty mold is caused by Capnodium mangiferi. Etiology: one fungus mycelium. Mycelium is dark, superficial, thrive on sugary secretions of plant hoppers, grows on flowers, tender leaves, old leaves, stems and fruits. Shooty mold of mango by Capnodium mangiferi. Fungus mycelium, dark, superficial, thrive on sugary secretions of plant hoppers. So mycelium of shooty mold of mango fungi thrive on sugary secretions of plant hoppers, grows on flowers, tender leaves, old leaves, stems and fruits. Management: spray Elosal at the rate 900 gram per 450 liter of water. Spraying interval 10 to 15 days. Dipping of mango fruits in bleaching solution. Mango malformation disease cycle. Mango malformation disease cycle symptoms: symptomless branch and apical bud are colonized with Fusarium mangiferi. Direct bud infection. Dry malformed debris fall on the bud. Malformed inflorescence. Mites fall on the leaves and move the conidia in a passive manner into the buds. So mango malformation disease cycle: symptomless branch and apical buds are colonized with Fusarium mangiferi. Direct bud infection. Dry malformed debris fall on the bud. Dry malformed debris fall on the bud. Malformed inflorescence. Mites fall on the leaves and move the conidia in a passive manner into the buds. Aerial dissemination of conidia. Aerial dissemination.